The best cameras for landscape photography are the best way to start shooting the outdoors. Shooting landscapes may seem like a comparatively simple thing compared to the split-second demands of action or wildlife photography, but once you drill into the details, you start to realize that a good landscape camera needs a few very specific things, and that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for landscape photography you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Fujifilm X-T5 stands proudly as the 5th best camera for landscape photography, transcending the realm of ordinary captures into an immersive visual odyssey. It doesn't just capture moments, it crafts a narrative, making it the epitome of photographic evolution in the XT series. This mirrorless marvel is more than a device, it's an artist's tool, putting the essence of photography at the forefront. With a groundbreaking 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, the X-T5 redefines resolution, breathing life into landscapes with unparalleled clarity. It's a deliberate departure from convention, an SLR-style camera that dances to the rhythm of classical control, prioritizing the art of photography. While its sibling, the X-H2, takes the spotlight in video and action, the X-T5 embraces its role as a maestro of stills, a virtuoso in capturing the intricate beauty of landscapes. Priced at $1699, the X-T5 offers more than just a gadget. It presents a gateway to a world where pixels tell stories. It's a choice that resonates with those who seek not just a camera, but a companion in their creative journey. Step into the world of breathtaking landscapes with the Nikon Z, crowned as the number 4 best camera for landscape photography. This full-frame DSLR stands tall with a 45.7 megapixel sensor that paints your vistas with unparalleled detail and clarity. The 3.2-inch tilting monitor boasting 2.3K dots becomes your artistic canvas, allowing you to frame your shots with precision. For the professional seeking perfection, the D850 delivers with a 7 FPS continuous shooting speed, showcasing its prowess in capturing fleeting moments. Embracing the weight and size of this photographic behemoth proves advantageous, especially when pairing it with substantial lenses, accentuating the importance of its DSLR heritage. The optical pentaprism viewfinder, a beacon for traditionalists, offers a bright and clear perspective that transcends the allure of digital displays. Amidst the race towards mirrorless innovation, the D850 proudly defies the trend. Its robust build is a testament to its resilience in the field, accommodating the needs of photographers who demand more from their equipment. With an astonishing battery life of 1840 shots, this DSLR outshines its mirrorless counterparts. Priced at $2496, the Nikon D850 is not just a camera. It's a gateway to a world where every pixel tells a story of the majestic landscapes it has witnessed. Meet the Sony Alpha 7R4, crowned the number 3 best camera for landscape photography. This mirrorless marvel boasts a heart throbbing with a class-leading 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, an unrivaled resolution in the world of full-frame cameras. Its marriage with Sony's FE full-frame lens mount, adorned with years of refinement, beckons serious landscape photographers with a delectable array of glass. Beyond pixel prowess, the A7R4 dances gracefully in other domains. Capture fleeting moments with a dazzling 10 FPS burst shooting speed, ideal for subjects beyond serene landscapes. The autofocus system, equipped with 567 phase detection and 325 contrast AF points, steals the show with its unwavering precision. For handheld ventures, lean on the crutch of the 5.5 stops in-body image stabilization, ensuring every frame emerges as a masterpiece. Yet, amidst its triumphs, the A7R4 whispers vulnerability in handling, falling slightly shy of rivals like the Nikon Z7 Mark II. However, this flaw dissipates when one immerses oneself in the breathtaking landscapes it effortlessly captures. While the A7R5 may sway those chasing moving targets, the A7R4 remains the beacon of value for the purists dedicated to the art of landscape photography, priced at $2498 US. Discover the Nikon Z8, crowned as the second best camera for landscape photography. Priced at $2498 US, this masterpiece is a symphony of technological innovation and artistic finesse. Its 61.0 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor RCMOS sensor captures landscapes with breathtaking precision, immersing you in a world where every detail comes to life. The camera's soul lies in its AI prowess, featuring a groundbreaking AI processing unit that elevates intelligence to unprecedented heights. With a 3:2 aspect ratio, the Nikon Z8 ensures that every frame is a canvas waiting to be painted with nature's hues. The next-generation autofocus, powered by real-time recognition and deep learning AI, transforms capturing moments into a seamless dance between man and machine. For filmmakers, the Z8 is a beacon of possibility. The advanced Bion ZXR engine propels processing speed to a staggering 8x, facilitating smooth transitions and impeccable clarity. Venture into the realm of cinematography with 8K at 24 or 25p and 4K at 60p, where each frame tells a story of its own. The Sony Alpha 7R5 stands as the undisputed champion for landscape photography, boasting a jaw-dropping resolution and an impressive 15+ stops of dynamic range, a beacon of hope for photographers battling unpredictable outdoor lighting. As a devoted user of the A7R4, the anticipation for the A7R5's image quality was met with astonishment. Raw support for Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop revealed a leap in image sharpness and color rendition, unveiling a new realm of creative flexibility. The ergonomic marvel of the camera lies in its versatile screen, a game-changer for shooting in both horizontal and vertical orientations. The screen's ability to flip outwards and rotate liberates photographers from physical constraints, enabling seamless framing without contorting into uncomfortable positions. Delving into the camera's menu system, customization becomes an art. The abundance of customizable buttons, although requiring thoughtful planning, streamlines the shooting process. The AI autofocus function proves a boon for precision, simplifying the photographer's task. However, yearnings persist for expanded subject recognition, especially in the realm of astrophotography. A standout feature is the automated focus stacking, a gift to landscape photographers seeking intricate detail. All these wonders come at a price, $3796 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.